Hello everyone, today I have nice exponential equation for you. First of all, I would like to request you for subscribe my channel for more videos. Okay, let's check them. 2 to the power 2, power 2, power 0. 2 to the power 0 is equal 1. 2 to the power 2, power 1 times 2 to the power 1 times any number to the power 0 is equal 1. By using previous method, 3 to the power 0 is equal 1. You know 2 to the power 2 equal 4 times 2 times 1 equal x to the power 3. 4 times 2 equal 8 equal x to the power 3. We can write 8 equal 2 to the power 3 and equal x to the power 3. You can see that. Same exponential. As a result, x equal 2. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.